Alright guys, what's up? I'm back. We have Kevin, we got everybody. We could have like a time lapse in here. That would be boring, but I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna go this way. Show you guys a view and all the animals. So we got Butterscotch again. Say hello. Huh? Okay. So we have two cars here. Well, yeah, two cars that are visiting. We have the Toyota RAV4. We also have the Ford F-150. And I'd like to introduce you guys to the go-karts. So this is our garage, and one of the go-karts, and the other one's in the morning building. This is the tractor. This is the trailer. This is the other go-kart. This is the black one, and then the red one is in the Morton building. So let's head back in there now. There's Butterscotch way over there, and they're all inside the building getting, I don't know how to say it, word, but I don't know, they're getting demolished, I guess. So here's the house. It's very nice. Got a nice little great yard. Got a black fence over there. We also have a big pasture. We have the garage. We have another huge tree. We got the mailbox. And so I'm gonna go into the Morton building, which is right here. It is red and white. It is there's a barn over there. It's like a little barn. And then the real barn's over there where all of the ladies and guys are getting demolished. So let's head in here right now. So we got the Camaro, which is being fixed up right here. So it's really cool. Actually, this might be my first car. I don't know if they're gonna get it up, but it's actually really cool. We got the Hyundai Genesis. It is really cool. We have the GGY 481 or 418. We got the nice wheels. It actually has been lowered. It used to be about like this tall, and now it's about there. So we have the 2-speed S185 Turbo Bobcat, high flow. Really cool. We got the tractor, and also we got the Grizzly, which tipped over and in the water, and it was crazy. Me and my brother just rode it around. It was cool. And see this thing right here, that used to work, but now it doesn't. We have a H Hustler, really cool. We got the Kohler Command Pro 29 horsepower EFA, really epic. So we have the truck. It's a Chevy Z71 off-road Silverado. Really cool. And we got the go-kart. This is the second go-kart that I crashed on. It actually, when I was driving, the throttle got stuck. That thing got stuck. And then I was driving down the road over there, as you can see. And this wheel right there fell off. And then I had to like jump out. And then this tire right here went like that and went over my leg. It was insane. So let's go back and check out what the ladies and gentlemen are doing in the barn. So I will be there in a quick second.